Do you want to know whether the library has a copy of a specific book? Or are you looking for a book on a topic? In this video, we will briefly show you how to use the library catalog to find items in our collection. The library catalog is an electronic list of the items in our collection. You can use the catalog to find print and electronic books, journal articles, and more. To begin, start at the library's website, www.library.northpark.edu. The catalog search box is centrally located on the library's homepage. The search box defaults to an everything search. This means that your search results will include a bit of everything: books, articles, and more. If you know you are looking for a book, you can use the drop-down menu to choose Books. Or if you are looking for an article, choose Articles. Narrowing your search now will make it easier to review your results later. For this first example, let's imagine that we are looking for a specific book, so we will choose Books in the drop-down menu. Let's wonder, does the library have a copy of Jesus and the Disinherited by Howard Thurman? To find out, type the title of the book in the search box, being very careful to spell it correctly. If we spell it wrong, it may ruin the accuracy of our results. Then, click Search or press Enter on your keyboard. Then, review your search results until you find the title and author you're looking for. The filters on the left-hand side can be used to tweak your search results if you have too many. For example, you can filter your search results to include only items written by Howard Thurman. This is helpful when you want to ensure you're finding books written by a specific author rather than works written about a specific author. Once you locate the item in your search results, click the title to learn more about the item and its availability. The top of this page contains a few helpful tools. For example, you can click Citation to generate a citation for this book. You can click Email to send this page to yourself so you can find it again later, or click Permalink to obtain the permanent web address for this page. The rest of this page will vary depending on the type of resource. For electronic books and articles, you'll see a section titled View Online. To read this book online, click the link to the resource. If the resource is available in multiple places, you can simply pick one. Whichever one you click first should be fine. For physical items, like books in print, scroll down to the section titled Get It. This section tells you where the item is located in our library and whether the item is currently available. For example, we can tell from this record that we have 3 copies of this book, 1 in reserves and 2 in our general collection. Reserve books are located on the first floor, behind the front desk. Because they are on reserve for coursework, they can only be used in the library for 2 hours at a time. General collection items are on the second or third floor of the library. You can determine which floor based on the call number. Call numbers that begin with A through F are on the third floor. Call numbers beginning with G through Z are on the second floor. So in this case, the call number begins with B, so it would be located on the third floor. Finally, if a book is unavailable, it will say out of library. At the very bottom of this page, you can find more information about the item, such as a brief summary and the number of pages. If you need a specific edition of a book, this is where you can find the edition information. Once you know an item is available, you can stop by the library to borrow it. For reserve items, go to the library's front desk and tell them the title and call number of the book you'd like to borrow. For general collection books, you can go upstairs and pull the book yourself. If you would like help with finding the book, just stop by the front desk and a team member would be happy to help. Now for our second example, let's imagine that you do not know the book you're looking for. Instead, you are looking for a book on a specific topic, such as grief, quilting, or anything else. Just like we did before, we'll begin at the library's website and use the search box at the center of the page. Begin by typing your chosen topic in the search box. For this example, we are looking for books on Celtic spirituality. This search produced over 279 results. We can narrow down our results using the filters on the left side of the screen. For example, if we are only interested in resources available online, we can click Available Online under the Availability filter. If we are only interested in books, we can choose Books under the Resource Type filter. And if we only want material published within the last 25 years, we can refine that using the Creation Date filter. In this example, let's narrow our results to material created between 1998 and 2023. After you have filtered your results to your liking, you can review your results. Click any book title to learn more about it. This book is only available in print, so there are no electronic viewing options. If you wanted to borrow this book, you could find it in the library's general collection. As in the previous example, you can scroll to the bottom of the page to see the item details, such as summary and edition information. When you are looking for books on a topic, it can sometimes be helpful to review the subjects associated with a book. For example, you can click one of the hyperlinked subjects to identify other books that are also on that topic. This was a quick demonstration of how to find books in the Brandel Library collection. Thank you for watching, and please email us at library@northpark.edu if you have any questions.